Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda with a great way to strut your stuff. That's right, the Hood Strut kit for the S550 Mustang. The Steeda Hood Strut kit is designed to replace the prop rod that came on your Mustang from the factory. And this offers a couple of benefits. We'll start with you show guys. I know I might get a little bit of flack for it, but we'll start with the show guys. When you walk down a row of Mustangs, you'd see the hoods open, you're at Cars and Coffee, a car show, or even out at a local event. It just looks so much cleaner to not have that sort of tripod looking prop rod sitting out front. In fact, you look right past that to the engine. And the hood struts are a great way to do that because they help hold the hood open all the way. And while there's nothing at the front blocking your view, looking at that supercharger you've got, the twin turbo setup that you have, those nice headers, whatever it might be as far as what you're showing off under the hood, because let's face it, if the hood's open, you want somebody to look at it. In addition, these really are beneficial to those of you that are working on your car at home or going to the racetrack, so there is a lot of function here as well. The reality is that if you're at the track or you're doing an autocross event and you want to let the car cool off, you always pop the hood. It's one less thing that you have to worry about as far as holding the hood open, and more importantly, as you're accessing things under the hood, whether you're checking the air filter, making sure everything's situated, whatever it might be under the hood, again, you're not having to awkwardly move around that prop rod. You can simply work all the way around the side, the front, or the other side without anything, well, being intrusive, if you will, or getting in your way. So it makes it much easier to, again, work around your engine and around the front of the car. Installation is really straightforward, but we do recommend having somebody help you out so that the hood stays secure, especially when you're putting on those brackets where you have to loosen the hood a little bit. Another point of interest is the instructions. Go to the Steeda website and definitely download the instructions and read them a few times before installing. And speaking of the instructions, we definitely recommend going to Steeda.com, downloading those instructions and reading them a few times. Of the reasons being, there's some details and hints and tricks as far as installing these, as well as important notes about torque values, in particular for the 18 plus cars. Ford changed a couple things on the studs on the hood. Want to make sure again that you follow those torque values and have a trouble-free installation. So if you want to strut your stuff and show off that engine bay, or simply have an easier way to work under the hood, whether it's in your garage or at the racetrack, the Steeda Hood Strut kit is a great addition for your Mustang. This will fit Mustang S550s, including the GT, EcoBoost and V6, Mach 1, and Bullet. Unfortunately, because of the change in sheet metal on the hoods, it does not fit the GT350 or the GT500. This is a great opportunity for you to tell us how you're going to utilize or already utilize this Hood Strut kit at the racetrack, autocross events, car shows, all the above. Definitely let us know and comment below. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please click like and share with other enthusiasts, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you're up to date with the notifications on our upcoming videos. To see the latest and greatest things that we're doing with our Mustangs, definitely check us out on social media. And to learn more about this and so many of the other parts that we offer for the Mustang and other Ford vehicles, visit Steeda.com. Thank you so much for watching. Steeda, speed matters.